Hi guys, I'm Tori, and today we are drawing a rainbow heart. Don't forget to show it to your parents. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and glitter. This is the end. Great job! I hope you'll watch the next video. See you! Hi guys, I'm Tori, and it's time to draw a heart. Let's start. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. That's the end of this video. We did a great job. See you in the next video.